Hi there, welcome once again to my Facebook page and YouTube channel. So guys, today I'd like to show you how to make nutrient agar for biological activities. So if you'd like to know about antibacterial, antifungal properties of any specific compound, those are synthesized in a chemistry laboratory. For such kind of compounds, if you'd like to check it out, this compound have antibacterial or antifungal properties or not, then we need you can say a medium. So if you like to grow a bacteria, then we need you can say nutrient agar environment. So at first I am trying to say that it's a you can say nutrient agar that I produced in the conical flask. And if you like to create this kind of agar, at first you have to keep in your mind that there is a specific measurement. By means of following, you'll be able to create 250 ml nutrient agar for growing your bacteria. And the number one, you can say Peptone. Peptone will be act as a you can say nitrogen source. And the next one, that is called you can say beef extract, that is used as the you can say source of minerals and nutrients. And the next one, that is called you can say sodium chloride. You have to use sodium chloride 1.25 gram for making 250 ml nutrient agar, and it is used for the basically to balance osmotic pressure or something like this. And the next one, agar should be used 3.75 gram, and distilled water it should be used 250 ml. And you have to keep in your mind that so that the overall pH or presence of hydrogen will be 7.2 to 7.4. So in this way you'll be able to create 250 ml nutrient agar. Those are really essential for growing bacteria. We are using you can say carbon source. That means basically agar is used as a carbon source, and Peptone is used as a nitrogen source. Sodium chloride is used for balancing the osmotic pressure. And the next one that I have already used, beef extract, that is used as a source of minerals so that bacteria can easily grow. And after growing, you'll be able to check it out what would be the you can say inhibition by your compound, those you have synthesized in your chemistry laboratory. So in this way you'll be able to create nutrient agar, and this kind of nutrient agar is used for all kinds of bacterial growth. So yeah, you can use. But in case of fungal you can say fungal pathogens, you have to check it out. You have to keep in your mind that you need you can say a sugar source. So in such conditions you have to use potato. Potato is used as a you can say sugar source. So guys, that's all about today. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay connected with this channel and Facebook page. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.